Please subscribe.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Tuesday, March 25, and in today's video I have one play for you. But before I go into the play, let me delve into yesterday's recap of the overall markets. The Dow continues to rally, closing up 1.4% to settle the day at 42,583. The Dow. The Nasdaq spiked to 2.2% to settle at 18,188. Is the Nas heading back to 20K? Only time will tell. Apple rose 1.13% to settle at $220.73. Apple. Tesla spiked 12% at $278.39. Biggest one-day gain since November last year. One of the big winners on the day was MLGO. MLGO spiked a whopping and epic and eye-popping 455% to settle at $13.99. The higher day was 1534. Volume turned up 301 million shares exchanged hands. MLGO. Another big winner. Dave's Play. IMTE, the stock spiked 197% to settle at $2.10. The stock opened at $1.26. Low of the day was $1.03. Higher day was $2.23. Volume turned up 107 million shares exchanged hands. IMTE. Dave's Play today is a SP play. This one's in and out. Grab and go, one and move, hit and run. Do not overstay your welcome. TNON. TNON. One is back again. The stock is up 226%. Currently trading at $3.19 at the recording of this video. Just wait for a pullback before you make an entrance on this one. Higher day thus far, $3.26. The company came out with FDA news. Go ahead and read up the news on your own time, your own term. TNON has spikeability. For example, on September 13, the stock spiked from $3.06 all the way to $15.78. Volume came in at 24 million that day. In conjunction to that, a few weeks ago, March 11th, stock spiked from $1.23 all the way to $2 even. Volume turned up 43 million shares exchanged hands on that day. TNON. This one's in the medical devices space and their headquarters out of California. Let's kick the tires. They were a market cap of 3.5 million. They have 3 million in the float. 1.6% of the float are held by insiders. 4% of the float are held by institution, and shorts has 5% of the float. Shorts. Price per sales is 0.08. Have 3 million in revenues. Their revenue per share 2.70. This is TNON. They have a gross profit of 1.7 million. Let me repeat that. Gross profit is 1.7 million. Have a total cash of 6.5 million and a total debt of a low 428k. Current ratio is sitting above par. This one won't be going bankrupt any day soon. Current ratio is 4 times par. Current ratio is sitting precisely at 4.39 TNON. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on X at WT for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bum. If your next trade, your best trade, always take care of your downside and let the upside take care of itself. Trade well, trade responsibly, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. And 44 cents on a volume of 1.3 million. Please put a stock in this stock this coming week. RGC, big winner. Stock is up 136% on the 1-year chart. Beg your pardon. This one is up an amazing 1,369% on the 1-year chart. This one's in the drug manufacturer space and their headquarters out of Hong Kong. RGC. And sitting at number 1, highest percentage gainers in the stock market last week was IBO. IBO is up 726% on the 1-week chart. Currently trading at approximately $4.96. IBO. Stock is up 65% on the 1-year chart. This one's in the biotech space and their headquarters out of Texas. 3 biotech runners this week. Okay, let's kick the tires. XHLD. This one. Please put a stock on this one this week. They were a market cap of 40 million. They have a low float of just 1 million, so this one could gyrate a lot. 94% of the float are held by insiders. This tells me directors and officers are putting their money where their mouth is. They have 4 million in revenues. Their revenue per share, 0.15. This is XHLD. They have 3 million in gross profit. Gross profit, 3 million. They have a total cash of 257K in hand and a total debt of 5 million. They have to work on their debt load here. Their current ratio is sitting way below par. Be careful with this one. Current ratio is sitting precisely at 0.24. The current ratio of 1 is at par, meaning for every dollar in debt, company has $1 in cash. This one's way below par. XHLD. Number two stock.